test drive the 2015 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, CD player, fog lights, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.